I've been exploring the Bendigo Bank for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations, so by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. Let's start by talking about what Bendigo Bank stands for. Bendigo Bank has continued to strengthen its position as one of Australia's leading regional banks, combining a customer-first approach with digital innovation and a strong community presence. With over 2.7 million customers and a Net Promoter Score of 31.1 points above the industry average, Bendigo Bank is growing its customer base faster than any other major or regional bank in the country. That focus on customer experience has translated into tangible growth across both lending and deposits, and the bank has now surpassed $100 billion in assets for the first time in its history. Now let's talk about the bank's performance and products. Bendigo Bank has experienced its strongest balance sheet growth in years, driven by increased demand for both lending and deposit products. Residential lending for the half was up 5.9%. And the rollout of a new digital lending platform has helped attract lower-risk customers and improve returns. On the deposit side, the Easy Saver online account and digital term deposits have fueled double-digit growth, with digital deposits up 27% over the half and 55% over the year. The bank's household deposit-to-loan ratio stands at a robust 73%. Well above the industry average, signaling a resilient and well-funded balance sheet. When it comes to customer experience, Bendigo Bank's investment in digital capability is paying off. The bank has streamlined its onboarding process, improved time to approval for mortgages, and made it easier for customers to open and manage accounts online. At the same time, Bendigo maintains a strong presence in regional and rural Australia, with more branches per customer than any other bank in the country, making accessibility a key part of its offering. Now let's talk about its security and innovation. Bendigo Bank has made significant investments in fraud prevention, blocking over $9.5 million in fraudulent transactions in the first half of financial year 2025, and introducing NamiCheck, which has stopped over $100 million in mistaken and fraudulent payments since its launch. These efforts, combined with ongoing digital upgrades, are designed to protect customers and keep the bank at the forefront of secure banking technology. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, half-year cash earnings were slightly lower than the previous period, reflecting increased investment spending and higher funding costs. Additionally, operating expenses have risen, but these are tied to the bank's strategy of building long-term capability and scaling up its digital infrastructure. Statutory net profit after tax was down 17.5% on the prior half, mainly due to non-cash adjustments and increased investment outlays. The bank expects that as these investments mature, operating efficiency and returns will improve. To sum it up, Bendigo Bank is a credible, customer-focused competitor with a strong digital and regional presence, robust growth in both lending and deposits, and a clear strategy for sustainable long-term performance. If you're looking for a bank that combines community values with modern banking solutions, and you value strong security and customer service, Bendigo Bank remains a compelling choice. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.